Tucked among a wildflower meadows and snow-capped peaks of Colorado, a Japanese-style tiny home on wheels sits gracefully, embodying serenity, efficiency, and mindful design. Of just under 400 square feet, the home feels spacious thanks to a philosophy rooted in minimalism and intentional living. Inside, natural light pours through shoji-style windows, diffused softly through rice paper screens, casting a warm glow over the tatami-textured floor. At the heart of the space, a multifunctional cabinet system exemplifies Japanese craftsmanship, clean lines, hidden joints, and thoughtful modularity. This built-in serve as both storage and structure. A pull-out drawer transformed into a dining table, vertical cabinets conceal a compact tea station, and beneath the raised platform bed lies a series of wooden crates with finger joint handles, storing everything from futons to seasonal clothing. Functionality flows seamlessly into aesthetic. Every element has a purpose, yet nothing feels utilitarian. The cabinetry is crafted from light tone wood such as hinoki or maple, echoing the soft hues of the surrounding landscape. Open shelving showcase simple ceramic bowls and hand-woven basket, adding natural texture without cluttering the space. Sliding doors save room and maintain the visual tranquility of uninterrupted surfaces. To keep the space peaceful and grounded, interior tips include embracing a mood color palette, soft whites, tone grays, and occasional accent of indigo or earthier greens. Hanging plants like photos or bamboo add life without overwhelming the scenes. While compact tatami mats or zabuton cushion offer flexible seating that honors traditional living practices. In this tiny home, every inch is intentional. The design invites a shower pace, encouraging its dwellers to take pleasure in small rituals, boiling water of tea, folding a futon, opening a cedar cabinet to reveal a cherished object. Here in Colorado, with mountains at their doorstep and simplicity within, Japanese aesthetic meet modern nomadic living in quiet harmony.